Good morning, boys and girls. This is Mrs. Rodriguez. I'm going to show you how to log on to your Common Lit account. Okay, the first thing you're going to do is you're going to go to the Common Lit website. Okay, I already posted that link on Google Classroom. So once you click on that link, you're going to go to this screen. Then when you get to this screen, you're going to click on Log In. Okay, once you get to this login, you're going to click on Log In with Google. Okay, next, just wait for it to upload. Then once you get to this screen, it should ask you to sign in with your email. So you're going to use the email that I gave you. Okay, you've been using your email all this time. So here I'm going to use this one as an example. Next, once you type in your Google and then you put your password. If you need it, just ask me through Class Dojo and I'll send it to you again. Then you click Next. Okay, once you're in there, you're going to see the stories that I've assigned to you. Okay, you don't have to do My Great Grandma. That's an assignment that we've already done. I'm going to go back and delete that one. This week we're working on the sign. So you're going to click on the sign to start your assignment. Okay, and then it says Laura Rang has written for highlights in this short story, Jess and his mother help Ori, a boy escaping slavery. As you read, take notes on Jess and Ori's relationship. Okay, and then you push got it. Okay, once you get to the screen, you're going to see all the story. You can make the font bigger if it's too small for you, or you can always use the top 3 dots over here, and you can make the screen bigger. Because I know some of you don't have your glasses and you can't see right, you can always do that too. Okay, so you read the story, okay, or you can listen to it. It'll read it to you. You just push the play button.
The Sign by Laura Rang, 2015. Laura Rang has written for highlights. In this short story, Jess and his mother help Ori, a boy escaping slavery. Jess tried to steady his trembling legs. It wasn't easy to do with the strangers in the house. They were searching every room and surrounding Ma, who stood there bravely.
So here I could pause and take some notes. Remember I told you yesterday that you can highlight and add annotations. You can take some little notes here and you can put them by the paragraph here. Let's see how you do this. So you click on your new. You can highlight. Maybe we can highlight what I was thinking that you guys should do today. I don't want you to answer the questions today. I just want you guys to highlight the characters. So you could highlight the characters. Then you could put here, characters, Jess, and Ma in this paragraph. And then you push done, and then your notes will stay right there. Okay, and then over here, you can take off that. Well, that's already highlighted. Over here, Orion is your other character. So you would type in there, another character is characters Orion. And then you can just push done. So that's what I want you to do today. I don't want you to answer the questions. I want you to listen to the story, or you can read it on your own. It's up to you. I want you to practice using this button, the click, the highlighting, and taking some notes. So the first thing you do, let me show you on this paragraph. I want you to highlight the characters. So highlight Jess. Once you highlight Jess, this will pop up. And then you can write. Okay, and then you could even write down here what's happening in this paragraph. In this paragraph, it says that Ma helped slaves escape to freedom. You can put the most important thing of this paragraph, you can write it down here. So that's all I want you to do today, boys and girls. I don't want you guys to answer the questions. You all will do that tomorrow. That'll be your assignment for tomorrow. You can look at the questions to see what information or what answers you're going to look for, or you can listen for as you're reading or listening to the story today. Okay, message me if you have any questions. Okay, I hope this video helped you log on to your Common Lit for the first time and how to use these tools on here. Okay, have a good day. We'll see you later at the Google Meet.